aim of this experiment is to measure the volume of an irregular solid using the water displacement method. The material required for performing this experiment is you'll need an irregular solid object. It should be denser than water so that it goes into water. It should not be something that floats on the surface. So you can use a stone, a pebble, a piece of metal. I'll be using a metallic bob in this case. You need a measuring cylinder which is graduated. That means it should have a scale on it which shows you the volume of liquid that's there in the cylinder, some water, and a thread to lower the object into the measuring cylinder. So we'll take the measuring cylinder, fill it with some water and note the reading. Then again we will use a thread to lower the object in the water, and we will note the fresh reading, means the water level will go up, so we'll have a new set of reading here. And when we take the difference between these two readings, we get the volume of the water displaced, and this is going to be equal to the volume of the object. This is what Archimedes' principle also states. Let us now perform the activity.
Let us now learn how to find the volume of an irregular solid using this measuring cylinder. So you can see I have taken this measuring cylinder which has a total capacity of 100 milliliters, and I have filled water in it till 40. So the present amount of water in this measuring cylinder is 40 milliliters, as you can see here. I have tied this metal bob using a thread, and now I will immerse this bob in the cylinder. So this is the initial volume V1, which is 40 ml. Once we immerse this bob in water, you can now see the level of water has risen and the reading now shows 44, because between 40 and 50 there are 10 small lines, and each line corresponds to 1 milliliter, and the water level has risen by 4 lines. So the final volume now is 44 milliliters over here. To find the volume of this bob, we can now take the difference between the final and the initial volumes. So 44 minus 40, that means the bob that we have, it has a volume of 4 milliliters. So that is how you can use any other object also to find the volume using this measuring cylinder.
So after performing the experiment, we can conclude that the initial water level, that was 40 ml, that is V1, and the final water level that was obtained after immersing the object was 44 ml. So the volume of the object is the difference between the final water level and the initial water level, that's 44 minus 40, and that's going to be 4 ml. So the conclusion drawn can be the volume of the given solid object in this case is 4 ml or 4 centimeter cube.